Hi everybody, and welcome to Brand New Super 2. My name is Devin. For this Super 2, we're going to be going over a really cool Google app called Storybird. So I'm sure that you guys have used this, especially in the past, like in elementary school, where you can create a template or a kind of story or a book. And for this, I'm going to be showing you what exactly it is and how you can implement it into your classroom. So first off, to download this onto your Chromebook or onto your desktop, you want to come down into the web store. And then from here, you're going to type in Storybird. Once it loads, it'll give you something like this. You're going to look for this icon, you're going to download it, which will be right here, but I've obviously already downloaded it. And then you're going to have to do a couple of recommendations, and then it'll be there. So let's open it up. Now, once you open up Storybird, it's going to ask you a couple of questions. It's going to ask you if you want to sign in as a teacher or as a student. With a student, you can sign up with different classrooms that the teacher sets up, and then you can post different stories or different, almost kind of like books, picture books, that you can definitely use throughout the classroom. But if you want to sign in as a teacher, you can actually create your own classroom where you can have students log in, and then you can post assignments where they can put in their stories and stuff like that. So for today, we're going to be going over the teacher point of view. After you actually log in as a teacher, you're going to be taken to this page. From here, you're going to have a couple of different things. You're going to have Studio, which this is where you're actually going to have your students in your classroom, where you're going to post your assignments and where the students are actually going to be posting what they have done. Once you've actually set up a class, it'll give you a class code that you can give out to your students, or you can actually log your students in by yourself if you want to do it manually. From there, after they put in that code, they'll be signed into this classroom. From here, you can look at all your students that have actually signed up for this class. Obviously, I do not have any right now because this is just more or less an example, but there's that. You can also have parents, which parents can come in and see what their students have done and what kind of assignments they have been assigned and stuff like that. Assignments, this is where you're actually going to post your assignments. From here, the students can go into it and they can edit it in any sort of way that they want so that the assignment can be done. Fundraisers, you can do that for different things, like if you want to raise money for different, you can use it as a fundraiser, as in like you can raise money for Children's Mercy or something like that. And then library, this is where all your previous assignments will be going into. All right, next off, let's go into create. Now this is where you can actually create your own sort of story for your class. So let's say that you want to give a presentation or something like that, or you just want to do a quick little, book to give them an example. You can go in here and create your own story, and then from there you can present it to the class all off of this one website. Read, this is where you can find all sorts of different books. This is where you can just look at other examples if you want to, or you can actually choose one of these books to read to your class. It's definitely a really cool way. Now from here, this is definitely a very vast and open world, I guess you can say, kind of app, but at the same time, it definitely poses a lot of great things. You can definitely use it in high school. Let's say that you want to do for French and you want them to do a storybook on different things, or in Spanish. It's definitely very versatile, and it's definitely something that can be implemented in the classroom to make it a more fun learning environment. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and make sure to leave a comment down below what you guys would like to see in a previous video. This is Devin, signing off.